B, there's nothing in the door B. Yeah! That's me, ha? Madungga ako? Where is it? Chimpanzee! Where is it, LB? B, there's nothing in the door B. There's nothing in the door A. Yeah! Galit na galit si Kuya. Okay, sit down, calm down, Kuya Miguel. Okay, wait. Do you want me to open both door?
Yes!
Okay, here.
No, show us it! Show it!
Okay, wait. Say the magic word. That's not abracadabra. We are now in the modern day life.
Ballerina!
Now, where is the pizza? Huh? Ito, ala. Okay, galing ka talaga. Very good. Huh? What? You want me to open both doors at the same time? What? Okay, and the magic of my hand, wave my hand, and the pizza will vanish. Yeah! Huh? Kumulas? Hey! Okay, wait, sit down. Bubuksan ko ang door
I know.
A.
I know that.
B.
Dito. Also B.
Ano, sige, let's say 6, 7!